Hi there, I'm Jonathan. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to reset your Leitner Office Ally LH280 or LH380 wireless headset. To reset your headset, first remove the headset from the base, leave it turned off, and set it to the side. Then take your Leitner charging base, flip it around to the back, and we're going to disconnect the power and the mini USB. If you have a Leitner lifter plugged into your AUX port, unplug that as well. Next, we're going to take the battery out of your headset itself. To do that, position your headset so that the microphone is pointed toward your left, and then we're going to look up toward the top and find this little crest that we can grab past the buttons. Grab that with your fingernail and pull it toward you to pop the battery door off. Now we're going to remove the battery from the headset, and we're going to leave that out for 30 seconds. At the end of the 30 seconds, follow the guide image here, position the battery so that the arrow is pointed up toward the buttons and the word Leitner is facing toward you, and place that back into your headset and snap the battery door back into place. Set that to the side again. Now, we're going to plug the power and the mini USB back into the back of your base. But if you had a Leitner cord plugged into the AUX, we'll continue to leave that out for just a little bit longer. Next, we're going to resync the headset to your charging base. To resync your headset, press and hold the phone mode button on the face of your charging base until the light on that button starts to blink, and then let go. Now, on your headset, we're going to find the 3 gray volume buttons, and we're going to press and hold the middle of those 3 buttons. When you see the light on your headset blink, you can let go and set the headset next to your charging base, but not on it. When your telephone light stops blinking and the light on your headset also stops blinking, you're resynced and ready to rock and roll. Just don't forget to plug the Leitner lifter back in if you had one. And that's it. Easy peasy. And remember, if you have any other questions or you need any other help at all, always feel free to give us a call at 1-800-HEADSETS, where any one of our headset advisors would be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye for now.